Good evening guys, welcome back to Being Investors channel. So let's talk about what has happened today in the market. As you can see, the market has done a lot of profit booking today. The market just started to fall from the opening of the market only, and the reason was because of this. Powell, Fed president, was going to talk about increasing the interest rates and regarding the inflation that is happening in European markets. So because of these reasons, the market today booked a lot of profit today, and it has almost fallen almost around about 200 points. Okay, it has fallen almost about 200 points, and from then on it just recorded some almost 20 to 30 points upside and just closed above 17,900. So tomorrow, though, as the Fed rate hike was expected, and it has given the Powell has given the reason, and the market was expecting that much hike only, so not any much surprise from that side. So I'm expecting the market must open gap up tomorrow. Okay, though I'm expecting that the market will open gap up tomorrow, and from then on we just need to see if that positions hold, or from then on again the profit booking comes. So let's talk about today's market, what stocks were gaining and what stocks were going down. So today auto sector was booming, and even pharma sector. Okay, then all sectors were buzzing downside, all were on the losing side only. So today's sectors were only auto sector with some amount of greenery, and pharma sector some amount of greenery. Others, all sectors, IT, banking stocks and other stocks were all in red, closed in all in red. So today's gainers were Tata Motors, Apollo Hospital almost 1.46, Hindalco 1.38, Power Grid and Davis Lab. Okay, and most falling stocks were Adani Entertainment almost 5% change, Bharti Airtel almost 3% change, ICA Motors almost 2% change, Adani Ports almost 2.65% change, and SBN almost 2% change. Okay, these were the falling stocks. Let's talk about let's go towards the chart and see. This is how the market just panned out today. The market just opened about yesterday's high was for 18,141. So as told yesterday, if the market closes above this, or just opens above this, or it just hold about 18,141, then we can see some upside, but it didn't touch that yesterday's high. So from then on, just market started to fall and just came down almost at the levels of 17,858, and from then on it's just closed above some 60 points of recovery, and then closed about 17,925 levels. Okay, so I'm expecting that the market must open above 18,000 tomorrow in the morning, and from then on just we need to check what just happens in the market. I'm expecting that the Powell speech has been happened today, so I'm expecting the market must take it as some sort of positivity, and just it will just start to move on the other side. It will go on the higher side and just open, and just we need to check what levels it just try to hold. So tomorrow's first resistance will be at 17,974, and if it's open, then it will convert into support, and from we can buy at this level by taking this support 17,973 to 975. By taking these levels as a support, we can go for long, or if he doesn't hold that level, then we can just expect that it should come down. Okay, so this will be your support zone for tomorrow, or we can expect that this it must fall at this level, and if this level also breaks, then we can see 17,600 on the cards in the market. And just look at the bank nifty was not different than Nifty. It just opened about 40,674 level, and from then on it just started to fall. Just one candle, the first 15 minutes, it has given almost 300 points fall, and from then on it again just given almost 300 to 400 points fall, and from then on it just started to take the support from 14,800 levels, and it just closed above 42,000, which is a good sign. But we will have the resistance. If the market just opens tomorrow at the gap up and it just tried to hold, then our major resistance will be 42,500. If that level holds up, then we can see some good upside run in the bank nifty. Otherwise this will be in the range bound almost 3 to 400 points upside and downside. That much will be in the happening tomorrow in the market. Not expecting much one side movement at this point of time. So we can see that much only in the market tomorrow. So this is how the market will get panned out, and the major resistance will be this for tomorrow, 43,170, and if that holds, then we can see the next resistance almost at this level, 42,576, almost 40,500. Okay, so these levels we can watch out for. So this will be our target, and this will be our stop loss also for sell and for buys. Okay, this much from the Indian market side. Then we should look out for the gold. What is gold doing? So it has not broken 1867 levels, and from that level it has gone up to 1880 top level. Okay, so I'm expecting that it should remain in range bound unless and until it breaks these 15 to 20 points range. It is not going to move on the other side. It will remain in this pattern only unless and until we can see some good trigger in the market to go on the upside or on the downside. So as I'm expecting 1879 is the resistance for the gold on the monthly basis. So it is holding that level. It is not going up from that side also, and it is not breaking at it is not also breaking down from 1867. So these levels we can watch out for. So if you want to buy, then buy at the levels of 1870 to 1867 levels, and keeping the SL of 5 to 4 points, and you can go on the sell side of the 1880 levels with keeping 2 to 3 points of stop loss. These levels you can trade in the gold. So this much from my side. So if you like my efforts of giving the tips and helping out through in the market, just like my channel, subscribe, and share to your friends also. This is Being Investors, signing off.